Here's another thing I'm doing now. Okay, so I'm learning this printer right here. There it is. It's printing away. See, it's printing its butt away. All right. And I'm learning a couple of things about it. I think the hardest part of a 3D printer is making your own designs. That's the hardest part. And I'm learning that there's easy ways and cheap ways to do it. So eventually I might start putting those up there. If y'all want, if you care to know, let me know and I'll start making videos about that 3D printer too. And maintaining it and using it. Watching some of those other videos, they make it sound like it's hard, complicated stuff to do. And I'm telling you right now, so far, it's been 2-3 weeks, something like that. And so far, I've printed so much stuff on it, and it's a lot easier than I thought it would be. Again, it might just be me, but I'll be more than happy to share what I'm doing. I've seen people done some whole bunch of maintenance. You got to do this and do that. I haven't done none of that stuff yet, and I've been printing practically every single day, twice a day. And half the stuff I've seen them done, in the very beginning, the first week, I was having issues. As of the last 2 or 3 weeks, I'm literally just set and print, and I walk away from it, and I don't have to look at it again once I hit the print button. So, if you want to see some of that information, let me know, comments, whatever, and I'll start talking about 3D printers too. Alright, peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.